Good morning students, welcome back. I am Rar Ahmed. Today we are going to start class 11th physics chapter 13 kinetic theory of gas part 2. In previous video we study about Charles law, Boyle's law, Gay-Lussac law, etc. And in this video we have to study what is the kinetic theory of gas. What is the kinetic behavior of the gas? So in this topic we will study about kinetic behavior of the gas, or we can say physical behavior of the gas. You know that gas have the particle are separated very far from each other, and in this gas there are some assumptions are the particle of the gas should be spare in the shape and are negligible in the size as compared to their distance between the molecule. The distance between molecule is very much as compared to their size. So let's start class 11 physics chapter 13 kinetic theory of gas part 2. So our next topic is kinetic theory of gas. Kinetic theory of gas in a kinetic theory of gases in a theory which is a theory which explain the physical property of gas. Kinetic theory of gas is a theory which explain the physical property of gas such as pressure, temperature, elasticity, diffusion, expansion, etc. The theory is based on the following assumptions. There are some assumptions as regarded to the motion of molecule. Theory is based on the assumptions as regarded as motion of molecule and nature of the gas. First assumption, every gas is composed of the minute particles. Every gas is composed of minute particles called as molecules. Every gas is consist of minute particles, tiny particles called molecules. Second, all the molecules of gas are rigid. All the molecules of gas are rigid in shape, perfectly elastic, solid sphere. All the molecules of gas are rigid, perfectly elastic and solid sphere. Third assumption is the size of the molecule is negligible. The size of the molecule of the gas is negligible as compared to intermolecular separation. It means the size of the molecule is negligible as compared to distance between molecule. Fourth assumption you can write on. Now fourth point is the molecules always in the state of motion. The molecules are always in a state of random motion. It means the molecule of the gas move in any direction, in all three directions. The molecule of the gas remains always in random motion. Molecules can be moved in any direction. Fifth point is molecules are moved in all directions with all possible velocities. The velocity of the molecule between 0 to infinity. It means molecules move with all direction. Molecule move in all direction with all possible velocities. Velocity may be changed. Fifth point. After fifth point, sixth point, the molecules are collide. The molecules are collide with one another. The molecules are collide with one another and also with the wall. It means when the molecules move in the container, then it collides with one another and also collides with the wall of the container. After seventh point is the number of molecules per unit volume. The number of molecule, the number of molecule per unit volume, it is called density. The number of molecule per unit volume is called density of the molecule. Density of the molecules remains the same. Remains the same. It means the number of molecule per unit volume always remains same. After 8th point is the collision between two molecules is perfectly elastic. Is perfectly elastic. It means no kinetic energy wasted during the collision. It means kinetic energy remains conserved. The collision between two or more molecules is perfectly elastic. It means kinetic energy remains conserved. No energy is wasted in the form of heat or any other form. After it, 9th point is the molecule do not exert any force of attraction or repulsion. The molecule of the case do not execute any force of attraction or repulsion during the motion. 9th point, after 9th point, 10th point is, this is the last point, on the collision between molecule is instantaneously. The collision between molecule is instantaneously. It means no time is wasted during the motion. So these are the properties of molecule. This is also the physical property and this is the kinetic theory of gas. You can write. Now our next topic is Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is the number of atom presence in 1 gram of atom of an element or the number of molecules presence in 1 gram molecule of the substance. So it is nothing but a number. It is represented by Na. Its value is 6.02005 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. So Avogadro number is the number of atom presence in 1 gram of the atom of an element. So what are the importance of Avogadro number? So first is to calculate the actual weight of an atom. To calculate the actual weight of an atom of an element. Second, to calculate the number of atom presence in the given mole of gas. Third, to calculate the number of molecules presence in given mass of a substance. Fourth, to obtain actual weight of one molecule of a substance. So these are the importance of Avogadro number. So its value is 6.02005 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole.